Welcome to Little Craft Nest. My name is Nisha, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Cricut EasyPress Mini. Now I know this is not a new product. I have actually had one of these for a number of years, but I bought another one, so I thought it'd be fun to unbox it with you. So let's open up the box. So here we have a very cute, very tiny little EasyPress, and we also have this safety base. So let's take it out of the box so you can get a closer look. So this is super cute, super light, very easy to use. You can easily hold it, and it has our on and off switch here. It has 3 different heat settings, and you can see the shape of our bottom. It's kind of like a teardrop, but this point at the top really helps us get in those tiny little crevices and surfaces when we're working with different seams, so we can easily go around them and not have a big bulky heat press that's preventing us from getting in those tiny areas. Now, why do I love the EasyPress Mini better than using, let's say, a home iron? Well, the EasyPress Mini is going to distribute dry, even heat across the entire surface. So when you're using a home iron, you'll often have areas on the plate that are hotter or colder than other areas on the plate. And this is going to be the same from the top and the bottom. So you're really going to get that even heat pressure, and that is what we need for our crafts, especially when we're doing iron-on projects. Now, most of our Cricut products that plug into the wall often require us to go online onto our Cricut account and register our product. So we do not need to do that with the Cricut EasyPress Mini. We can just go ahead, plug it in, and start using it, which is amazing. Now, this is so tiny, you're probably wondering, what can I use the Cricut EasyPress Mini for, and why do I need one? Well, I'm very glad you asked. Let's think tiny, like little things, like baby. So one of the things I love to do with the EasyPress Mini is like baby shirts, baby hats, and little bibs. They're just so much fun to use. You can even take this out at a baby shower and have your own little onesie station, have people iron on designs, which would make a baby shower really special and really fun. Now, if you want to learn how to make a baby onesie using iron-on and Cricut Design Space and this EasyPress Mini, I do have a full-length tutorial on that, so I will leave that link down below in the description, so you can go ahead and watch that right after this video. I also have another video of 12 different Christmas projects that you can make using the EasyPress Mini, so be sure to check that one out as well. Some other things that you can use this small EasyPress for are ironing down seams when you're sewing. You can use it on stuffed animals to personalize them. Doing Easter bunnies are fun, or the Bursta elephants, which I'm sure you have seen. I've made piles of those, and I really like the tip for those because they really get right into the corners and the creases. You can use this for shoes, hats, you can iron something on some ribbon, and one of the projects my daughters love to use this for are the melting beads. Now, one thing to remember is use your parchment paper in between your designs, because you do not want to be getting any ink or vinyl or any other products stuck on the bottom of your press. So just be aware of that. Now, the EasyPress Mini is different from the larger presses in a few different ways. Obviously, it is quite a bit smaller and has a different shape at the bottom, which we've discussed already. Also, when you're using the EasyPress Mini, you're not just holding it in one spot. You can actually move it around your vinyl projects or whatever you're working on it. It does not have to be stationary like the larger presses. Now, our larger presses will show us what temperature setting our press is set at. On this press, we just have high, medium, and low. So you may be wondering, how do I know what setting to set it at? Well, Cricut has made this process very simple. All you have to do is go over to the Cricut Heat Guide, which I'll leave a link down below in the description so that you can find that easily. You're just going to put down what press you are using, the materials you're using, and Cricut will give you a very detailed list of what setting to put your press on, how long to hold it, how much pressure. You will get everything you need to know for your project. So it takes all the guessing work out for you. Now, in the rare event that Cricut does not have the material listed that you are using, I would do a test project. And I would do that by starting at the lowest heat setting and starting to press for a few seconds with light pressure. Now, if you find that's not working, you can either apply more pressure, turn the heat up, or press a little longer. So you're going to experiment a bit and find out what works best for your project. But always start at that lowest heat setting and slowly, gradually build to get the perfect settings for your project. Now, we talked a lot about different projects that you can use your Easy Mini Press for. However, I want to talk about projects that you probably don't want to use this for. And one of those would be adult size t-shirts. And why is that? When you're using the mini press, you have a large area to go over if you're doing a full image on an adult shirt. So therefore, you are going to have a hard time maintaining the same consistent pressure over that entire shirt using a small press. And what that can lead to is some vinyl peeling, or some areas of the vinyl just stuck on better than other areas, and we don't want that. So if you're planning to make a lot of adult shirts with full-size designs, I highly recommend getting a larger EasyPress or a large clamshell press. However, if you're just doing a small image on maybe an adult sleeve or something on a little pocket, the EasyPress Mini is perfectly fine for that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, and I hope to see you on more crafting adventures.